Hey, good to see you people again. You have learned till now the basics of computer. Now here you are going to learn about the basic operations in computer. These operations will help you to learn how to operate computer and perform various functions on the computer. Okay, so let us begin and try to understand the concept one by one. So first of all, turning on a computer. As in the picture shown, you can see there is a round button. This is a power button. To turn on the desktop computer and monitor, you have to press that button for a while and then release it. Similarly, in the case of laptop, you have to press that button for a while and then you can release it. Moving to the turn off operation. To turn off the computer, you will click on the start button, which is on the lower left side of the desktop, and then click on the turn off menu, shut down or sign out menu, and your system will get shut down. Now let's move to the restart operation. If you want to restart the computer without using the power button, you can go to the start option and then choose the restart option. Now let us get to know what is the need of restart operation. Your system will get automatically restarted when you will install or update any software. Your computer is ready to hang, so to fix all the small errors, you need to restart the computer instead of using shutdown. Now let's move to the sleep operation. Sometimes your computer is on and no one is working on the computer. So to save the power and energy, you will use sleep operation. Go to the start option and then sleep option. The computer screen will be turned off and the applications which were opened are still running. The computer screen will turn off, but all the applications which are opened are still running. Okay, now let us talk about the other operations which you can perform on the computer. Now we'll start with the create operation. Create refers to making something new. It can be file, it can be folder, or it can be any document. So to create a new folder on the desktop, click right on the mouse, then select new, and then select folder. Your folder will be created. And to create any file, either in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, etc. Again, on desktop, right click on the mouse, select new, and then select type of the file. So in order to save that created file, you will use save and save as operation. So what is the basic difference between save and save as? Save, it is used to save the data which is written with some file name, and save as, it is used when user want to save file with a specific name, type and location. Okay, now coming to the open operation. If your file or folder is on desktop or somewhere in the drive, then you can simply double click on the icon and open the file or folder. But what if your file or application is already open? Then you have to go to the Windows icon on the top left corner and then select Open menu and then select the file which you want to open. Now moving towards the delete option. What if you need to delete something, or if you want to remove any file or document, the operation which is required is delete. Select the document, right click on the mouse, and then you will see the delete option. The deleted file will go to the recycle bin, and if the user wants to reuse that file, he can restore that file from the recycle bin. Now let's come to the search operation. If you need to find something, then you will use search operation. In computer, if user forget the location of file and folder, then search operation is used. For that, there is a search box which exists in computer that you can see on the screen. Now let's come to the copy. It is used if you need to duplicate any existing data, use copy operation. When you will copy a file, image, text or other item, it creates a duplicate of that item. The shortcut key is Ctrl+C. Now let's moving towards the cut operation. Cut operation is when user wants to cut some text, file or folder from one location and put it into the another location. This operation will paste the data and delete the data at the original position where it was copied from. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus X. Now moving towards the paste operation. Paste operation is performed on the file or folder which are copied or cut. This will paste the copied content to the desired place, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus V. Moving towards the last but not the least operations, that is hide and unhide the files. The hide operation will make the file invisible and reside in the computer memory. To hide the file, go to the properties of the file and then select General and enable hidden attribute. This dialog box will be in front of you. Then you have to just click in the checkbox in front of the hidden and just apply the condition and your files will be hidden. Okay, now let's come to the unhide. For that, you have to go to the control panel and then go to the appearance and personalization and then go to the folder option. Now enable the show hidden files, folders and drive buttons. With this, you can see the files again where they were previously located. Thank you.